What's up, guys? It's Diera, and you're watching Wildly Written. Alright guys, so I know it's been a while, but today we are going to be stuffing cash envelopes. So I have all of my totals written out on my transparent sticky notes, and I'm obsessed. These can be found in the shop, so I will link it down below if you guys are interested. And then also, I created brand new cash envelopes, and these are transparent half-size cash envelopes. And the reason I did it this way is because my wallet is pretty teensy, and so I like to pull the categories that I need and stuff them inside, and that makes my life so much easier. But without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into stuffing my cash envelopes. So I'm starting from scratch, as you can see, and yeah, I'm not gonna even go into it. So I also DIY'd this little tray setup, and this is just a utensil holder that I got from Ross, and I added my own little fun paper at the bottom, and then I added these Dollar Tree poles in between to make more space for dollars. And then what I do over here is set all of my envelopes, and I set the rest of my sticky notes. So it's a cute little setup. You guys know I'm DIY if you've been here for any amount of time. Alright, I said without further ado, and then I started talking. So let's go ahead and stuff, and we will start with health. So I have my little iPad set up over here, and health is getting $75. So we're going to take a 50 and a 20 and a 5, and I like to stuff. Should I stuff it with the smaller one on the outside? Probably, huh? So I'll stuff it like that. No, I'll stuff it with the bigger one on the outside. These don't travel with me often, so I don't really have fear of them being visible or whatnot. Health, $75. And I just love the way they look. They're so freaking cute. And I made them myself. That makes me so happy. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and cross out health. And next, gas is getting $40. 2 20s. Actually, I don't like the idea of crossing those off. Okay, so gas now has $40. Groceries is getting $90, so that's gonna be 4 20s and a 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 10. Okay. Next up is dining out. Dining out is going to get $50, so 2 20s and a 10. And this one I kind of broke, so it has a little opening on the side, but it's still very much functional. Dining out. Okay, next is entertainment. So entertainment's going to get $55. I'm actually saving up for an event that I want to go to, so 2 20s, a 10, and a 5. Alright, next up is spending, and spending is going to get $60, so 3 20s. Alright, next is beauty, and beauty is for the nails. So I love to get a regular pedicure and manicure, and they do add up. So beauty is going to get $100. We're going to give it 4 20s. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to give it a 10. And then we're going to give it a 5 and 5 ones, just so I have money for tips. 1, 2, 3, let's recount this. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. All right. Yeah, I remember when full sets were $21. When did full sets, a fill, I literally got a fill and it cost me $50. I said, this is robbery. All right, car maintenance is getting $80 and it's going to get 4 20s. And I need an oil change. And y'all know, going to the freaking mechanic, you never know what they're gonna try to convince you of. So a little extra cash on the side would be nice. How much is your guys' average oil change? Because my oil changes are pretty expensive. I want to say it was at least 70 something or $80. I remember I used to get an oil change at Jiffy Lube for like, I want to say $30, $30 or $40. Anyway, fitness is getting 50 and this has been emptied and never used, so the goal is to actually use it. So it's going to get 2 20s and a 10. 1, 2. Y'all, I need to get back on it. So next up is holiday, and I'm so excited because fall is here. It's gonna get 100 and it's gonna get a 50. I'm excited because Christmas is coming and I'm just ready for cooler weather. I live in Arizona, so we appreciate the winter time and the fall. Okay, next up is a new category that I created called Boss Babe, and this is just a category for any time I want to buy books or anything that has to do with personal development. I decided to make a category, and that is going to get $60. So we're gonna give it 2 20s and 2 10s. There we go. And then next up is giving. And giving is going to get $20. And so we're going to give it 3 5s. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to give it 5 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I used to call this category tips, but I think giving is more befitting, so I'll put that there. And then my next category is miscellaneous, and that is going to get the remainder of our funds, which is $20. So 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yay! You guys, this feels so good. Look how cute they look. So organized. And I can't believe I DIY'd my own little cash tray. I'm obsessed. The little wallpaper inside is adorable. I mean, not wallpaper, scrap paper. Oh, and then I have one last category, and that is $1 savings. So once I redo these, I don't know if I'll do it next week or the week after, but I will take all the ones that are left over and we'll start a $1 savings challenge. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just a bit of cash envelope stuffing. We're starting from square one again, but it's fine, you guys. If you're new here, please feel free to check out some of my older videos. Don't forget to check out the shop down below, you guys. I have transparent sticky notes in 5 sizes, and they're so adorable. And then I will also link the tutorial that I used to make these cash envelopes because I did not create this idea. But if you guys want to see me do my own, then let me know because I definitely had fun with the laminator making these. But without further ado, thank you guys for watching. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. And if you like this video, please like it. I will see you next time. Bye!